At this point, we're going to turn to Cynthia over in Pinson. Good evening to you, ma'am. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Me?
Yes, ma'am. Cynthia, go ahead.
I was calling to ask the question.
Go ahead,
If
please.
you're like 8 months behind in your mortgage, do I wait to go on and file bankruptcy or continue doing the modification before a foreclosure letter come in?
Well, unfortunately, the people doing the modification for the mortgage company are not the same people collecting the mortgage. If you get a letter from a lawyer that says you're going to get foreclosed on, you need to file debtor's court immediately so you don't lose your house. You can continue to modify it. And a modification on a mortgage, they are so backed up, it might take 6 months, it might take a year. And that you might send all the paperwork in and then have to resend it in again. If you're that far behind, I would file debtor's court and put what you're behind in debtor's court, and then when you get it modified, then you can get out of debtor's court. But you don't want to lose your home, so that's what I do.
So you'd start with that debt, you would start with the call to a bankruptcy attorney now, get that started.
I'd get that started, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And you're describing a reorganization, Steve, rather than an outright bankruptcy.
That's right, a reorganization, which is debtor's court or chapter 13, people call it that all the time.
Right.
Cynthia, wish you the best for that with that
Good luck.
situation, certainly. Thank you so much for calling in to ask your question.